take a look at another multiplicative problem that we can draw a model to figure out what's happening. All right, we know that 5 fish have a total of 950 pounds. So I know all of these fish together are going to be 950. All right, I need to figure out a place I can start. Let's start here. 10 times less than the total. Well, 10 times less than something would be a division problem. So if I took 950 and I divided it by 10, I would get 95. So that would be 10 times less than the total. So the pufferfish is 95. The white marlin weighs 2 times more than the pufferfish. So if the pufferfish is 95, I can multiply that by 2, and that would give me 190 pounds. So the white marlin is 190 pounds. The tarpon is 5 times less than the total. All right, so that would mean it would be, there's the total, and it's 5 times less, and that would give me 190 pounds. All right, now we are left with, if I take 950 and I subtract these, and then 190, 190, and 95, I would get 2 an amount. So let's see, I have 950 minus 2. Okay, so back to what we're doing. We had 190, 190, and 95 gives us a total of 475. Our total is 950. So how much do we have left? We have 950 to start with. These 3 fish combined give us 475. So we're left with 475 pounds left to distribute between the kingfish and the amberjack. Okay, so my clue is the amberjack weighs 1 more pound than the kingfish, and the kingfish weighs 1 less pound. So this is kind of distributing this 475 between these 2 fish. So what I would do first would be to split it in half, and it would be somewhere around 230, so kind of guess and check. I'm going to start with, I know that 238 and 237 are 475. So if the amberjack is 1 more, it would be the 238, and if the kingfish was 1 less, it would be 237. But again, that would be a guess check. Originally, you just have to estimate, divide it in half, and know that one is more than the other. So this is how you figure out these problems. Remember, times less would be your division, times more would be a multiplication problem. All right, good luck.